Guys, good morning. I just woke up here in Miami, Florida. If you couldn't tell, I'm obviously super tired right now. But I just got back from the Dominican Republic last night, and today I just figured I'd wake up and do a little day in my life as a 7-figure entrepreneur here in Miami, and just kind of showcasing my daily routine, the type of stuff I do, and all that. But yeah, sorry, I'm half awake right now. First and foremost, I guess I'm just gonna clean up my place a little bit, shower up, get ready, and then walk you through my morning routine and just kind of what I do when I wake up. So let's get right into it. All right, just took a shower. I'm about to do my skincare here real quick. But yeah, just a little recap. I just got back from the Dominican Republic yesterday. I was at a crazy resort, $1,000 a night, all-inclusive resort. Went there with a couple friends, and it was supposed to be an amazing trip. Bro, I had strep throat when I got there. Felt horrible, just absolutely wasted me away. It made it super difficult for me to enjoy it. And yeah, it's just I'm still kind of recovering right now, but I was suffering when I was out there. And God, I would not wish that on any of you guys, because if you know anything about Dominican food and just kind of how it feels to have something like that when you're out in a foreign country, oh my God, it was miserable. It got to the point where I self-prescribed myself amoxicillin. But yeah, guys, I mean, if there's any silver lining to it, it gave me a little time to relax, a little time to just kind of get back to basics as far as doing a little bit of work and just chilling at the beach and stuff. So, I mean, it wasn't all bad, but. So, got my place cleaned up a little bit, got myself cleaned up a little bit, and before anything else, I like to just hop into doing a little bit of my day-to-day work. And that's kind of just checking up on my to-do list, making sure that I got everything squared away as far as that goes, and just kind of making sure that the business is still running itself. So this is usually the first thing I do in the morning. It's before everything else, and it kind of supersedes all my other responsibilities. But it's mostly just responding to messages, and yeah, running through my checklists and stuff, talking to my lawyer, doing whatever else I need to do. So alright guys, I got through my to-do list. I'm about to go out, I'm about to go get a smoothie or a milkshake or something and go get some groceries, because honestly I'm still feeling a little bit sick, and personally, I don't know, man, I just need something that I can eat comfortably right now. So I'm about to go head to my car and just go get some food that I can actually eat. Just look at this, bro, look at these cars. Man, I miss them every single time I'm out of town. Obviously my M3 right here. And look at this color combination. This is just honestly the most unreal colors I've seen on an M3. You really cannot match that level of quality. But anyways, getting this locked in. I just honestly love this car more than anything, bro. It's the craziest daily driver. Super loud. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but man, this thing it catches eyes. It's just a comfortable daily driver for the most part. It's a little bit low, so it's a little hard to drive, but overall I love it. The aesthetic of the interior is insane. The trim just looks crazy. I love the ambient lighting, the full screen, everything. But yeah, besides that, I mean, it's just a perfect daily drivable car. It's not a crazy jerky ride. It's super smooth, but it can also be fast. And yeah, it's nice for getting around, and I've been driving it a lot more recently. I thought I was gonna get rid of it and get a Maybach and switch out that just so that the GT4 RS was more of my weekend driver, but honestly, these two cars have been perfect together so far, so nothing to complain about yet. But yeah, I'm gonna go drive to Smoothie King. I think I'm feeling in the mood for a smoothie, get some energy, and it's all I can really drink because my throat right now still is killing me. So bro, and this here is why Miami never gets old. It is literally sunny every single day here. It's insane. You gotta just love the weather out here. Living in Miami is just, it's such a pick-me-up naturally. To be out in the sun every day, it's just beautiful. And yeah, I mean, that's about it. But yeah, about to see this. Let's go. About to crank out right here. Ready? Little pull in the M3. I don't know, not much. I try to keep it a little bit safe when I'm, riding around town, but it's fun to just kind of get in some rips every once in a while, even when I'm not feeling amazing. So yeah, I don't know, just Nice little day. I'm back up in my place. I'm exhausted, bro. Like, when you're sick, every single thing you do takes like 10 times as much energy out of you. But I'm surviving, I'm thriving. I'm obviously on medicine right now, so I'm trying to get better. But I want to show you guys something cool. And this is something that, if you know anything about my GT4 RS, you know that I bought the highest possible spec that I could, that was factory commissioned, that had all of these crazy things done with it. And for that reason, I call it a one-off spec. And everyone's been telling me, oh, what makes it one of one? What makes it one of one? This and that, trying to rip on it. Well, I'm about to show you what makes it one of one, because I actually got the paperwork that proves it now. So, without further ado, I actually got it framed as well. First off, you can see the window sticker here. You can just see that this thing is a built out car. And for a 2023, this is the highest possible sticker that you can get. Next, you see a letter to the original owner of the car about how it is a unique one-off spec, and a certificate of factory customization. This is factory commissioning. Special wishes, not just anyone can do this. The guy who originally owned this car was a Porsche VIP client. He was a billionaire client of Porsche's. You can look him up. I actually looked up his name myself. He's a billionaire residing in Nevada who runs some type of hedge fund or money fund. And yeah, I just think it's a cool little piece of unique history as far as my Porsche goes. But yeah, I mean, it's just another thing, another day in the life. I gotta figure out how to get that hung up today. I think it's cool that I got it framed and everything, just as a little bit of commemorative history to my Porsche in specific. And yeah, I don't know, it's just something interesting. But I'm about to get on some calls, maybe make some TikToks, maybe, I don't know, just do whatever else I need to do with work stuff this morning. Just a little more work. And then at 11:45, I gotta hop in the spa at my building. So just gonna crank that out real quick. Might show a little bit of that, but yeah, besides that, just about it. So I just got off my first call for today. Killed it. Always kill it. It's crazy because I can get on a call with people who live in Miami, or in this case, people who don't even live in Miami. And these guys and I literally have so many mutuals. It was like a sale before I even have to offer them the product. Like, I'm here selling them either a $4,000 or $8,000 bundle, whichever one they end up closing on. But we know five different people that we both know, and I know them super well. It's people I travel with, people I know, like very close friends of mine. So all that I can say is, by building out a good network, having good mutuals with people, your network is literally the instant selling factor. People will trust you so much more if you know people that they know. And in this case, like many cases, fortunately I did. So it's nice just to know that I have that kind of network sitting behind me, and I have that group of people that I already know, and that it's a very like worked into the industry group of people. Just getting in a super quick video right now. Absolutely killed it this morning, bro. I sit down in the morning and I'm like, damn, I am amazing at what I do. I am the best guy in the world when it comes to selling a very certain type of thing. And today I just proved myself right yet once again, because man, I just sold probably $10,000 to $15,000 worth of marketing bundles to two different guys that I got on the phone with. And these phone calls took maybe 30 minutes total together. So my work day is just about done. About to get dressed for the spa, about to go down there right now. Can't record at the spa, obviously, for obvious reasons. But I'll be up here in about an hour and figure out what my plan is for this afternoon. Maybe I'm gonna go kick it with the boys, go drive the supercars. We'll go see, but I'll be back. Let's go, you guys. I just got back from the spa. I'm feeling amazing. Got dressed. I'm fitted head to toe, right there. Let's get it. I got that day date on today. Feeling good, I'm feeling great. I'm about to go vlog, drive the cars a little bit. I actually want to take out the GT4 RS today because I haven't driven this thing in like 2 weeks now. So I'm about to grab my stuff, get down there real quick. I actually have to move the cars around because my parking spaces are like one car in front of the other. It's a little bit inconvenient. So yeah, we're about to here hop straight into the elevator right now. Get downstairs, I'm gonna pick up my boy, and we're gonna get straight to that. All right, so to start with, I haven't even driven this car in like the last week. I'm about to give you guys a completely raw, like uncut, cold start. Alright guys, I'm about to show you how loud this car is. The GT4 RS it's pretty unrivaled as far as like just this type of car. It's so loud, like this thing will turn heads from like a block away. And I'm about to show you, I'm about to go through a tunnel with it just so you can hear like just how loud it is. That shit back. Turn right around, do it again. Slipped out there. That was the scariest moment ever driving. I'm gonna take it a little bit easy after that. That was there we go. So now I'm here in my garage and I'm like literally looking down my car, trying to make sure that there's no damage because I don't know if you guys saw it in that tunnel, but I hit that corner pretty hard and it started like skidding out. So I don't know, man, sometimes I just get in my head about that. I'm like, damn, what if like something happened to it and I just like didn't hear it or like feel it or whatever. But nah, I mean, everything looks good. Look at this thing, beautiful as always. Crazy wheels, the wing, man, just this is like the perfect car. I don't know, something about these cars. So it's like 2 p.m. right now. Honestly, I hit this part of my day like every single day where it's like 1 or 2 p.m. and I'm kind of just like done with everything. And a lot of times I'm just like, whatever, I'll like go read a book, like do something, go find like friends to hang out with and stuff. But today I feel like going live on TikTok because I haven't done it in a little bit. So I'm gonna hop on a TikTok live, kind of say what's up to my followers and just, I don't know, get back on live again. And yeah, just kind of check in with everyone because I haven't been on in like a week or two now. So as I tend to, I did get a little bit wrapped up this afternoon. It is already 7:43 p.m. I don't know if you can even see here, but yeah, it's getting a little bit late right now. And I think my girl's about to come over. Probably take it a little bit easy this evening. I've just been feeling sick lately and honestly, I don't know what to do about it, but I'm really trying to get back in my grind. And today I think I did a pretty good job. I did about $8,000 total in cash collected with a net profit of just over $6,500. So some would say he's back. Some would say he's about to kill it this next month or two. But yeah, I don't want to take up too much more of y'all time. So without further ado, just say leave me a sub if you don't mind. Check out my coaching in the description below if there's any chance that you want anything of that nature and you want to learn how to build your own agency. And yeah,